Hello everyone, today we're taking a look at this electric air fryer that was sent over to me by Kismile. So I'm going to go over the features of it and give some of my thoughts after using it for a while. So first thing to mention is the overall sleek design of this air fryer. The sides are perfectly smooth, and on the back here is this little ventilation area where that air is going to circulate and go out. So just make sure wherever you're putting it, you're not blocking that, because that does need to vent. And over here on the left side is the same as the right. So here in the front, we have the 4.5 quart glass cooking bowl. Now this is a really thick glass, and it also has a removable tray that has a little handle on it. And the cool thing is this is dishwasher safe. So if you want to just throw this in the dishwasher after you are done working with it, you could totally do that. One of the cool features of this thing is there's a little switch and here that detects whenever this tray has been pulled out. So say you're mid-cooking, you pull it out, it'll automatically stop, pause the cycle, you can add your herbs, whatever you want to add to your food, throw it back in here, and the air fryer will automatically restart right where you left off. So here with the interface itself, I am all about simple cooking. Sometimes you're cooking, you have people over, there's a lot going on. The last thing you need is something complicated to do, and this is not complicated at all. Very simple. It even has some presets here, so if you have steak, chicken wings, fish, fries, a whole chicken, it even has a small cake option. If you're making a small or medium cake, you could totally do that. And there's also a pizza option as well. There's a DIY button, so when you press that, it's just gonna have you set your time and your temperature and then press start. And it's literally as simple as that. And also having a nice clean surface to work with. Just everything is smooth. You can wipe it off very quickly and easily, put it away, store it, and no issue. So overall, this is a great option to have. I'm glad to add it to my kitchen appliances. And thanks to Kismile for sending this over.